Hey guys, what's up? Today we are going to cook burgers, and I'm going to teach you guys, not teach you, but tell you the secret ingredient to make the perfect burger right after the B-roll. Hey guys, welcome back. And what we have here is we have some cheap hot dogs and some cheap burgers. And I often get told that my burgers are delicious and want to know, are they grass-fed? If they were off my own farm, yes, they'd be grass-fed and organic. But I just bought these at the store and I have no idea what they are. And but I can make them delicious. And the secret is this. Real salt. That's right, real salt. This show is sponsored by Redmond Minerals, who makes real salt. But a fun fact is I went to Redmond and I asked them if they would sponsor me, because they are a product that I endorse. I would not tell you guys to go out and buy something if I thought it was junk or crap. Okay, just real fast, there's so much knowledge, there's so much information I can tell you about real salt. Real salt is the brand of the salt, and it is mined here in Utah, right, just not far from where I live, underground in the tunnels, so the pollutants of the air and hasn't contaminated the minerals and the salt deep into the underground, and the earth it's mined, and so hasn't had a chance to be polluted by Kim Jong-un, or however you say his name, the North Korean guy, a rocket man who sends his missiles and you know, the pollutants in the air. Plus you have the chemtrails and all that other thing underground. So there's one cool thing about the salt is that look at the different colors in the salt. There's different minerals in there that's good for you to eat.
You thought about it.
There's going to be a Dumb and Dumber clip right now.
Uh-oh. What? What's the matter?
You spilled the salt. That's what's the matter. Spilling the salt is very bad luck.
We're driving across the country. The last thing we need is bad luck.
Quick, toss some salt over your right shoulder.
What the hell? So, with this pack, it's kind of funny. Me and my family, we all kind of like our burgers a little bit different. I like the natural garlic, so this one's mine here. And I just put, this makes it a little bit garlic tasting. So what's your favorite, Wyatt?
The organic onion.
And then natural season, that's you. What's your favorite?
Natural season.
Natural season. And Mama's natural season too, huh? Mm-hmm. Okay. Natural season. Natural season. Shaylin, what do you like? You like garlic, onion, or natural season?
Natural season.
Natural season. You know what? I'm just going to put natural season on them all, even mine and Wyatt's. Okay, guys. Thank you for being part of our vlog, and we are excited to get this stuff cooked up, and it does taste good. Take my word for it. We use real salt in just about everything we do, in our brines and everything. I cook a lot outdoors, guys, and I'll probably do more cooking outdoors in the future with other things. I like to do a lot of Dutch oven cooking, and my secret ingredient is, I guess it's not secret anymore because it's on social media as of now, is real salt. And disclaimer, our show is sponsored by Redmond Mineral, but I did go to them and ask them if they'd sponsor me because I know a good product when I see one, and I stand behind it. And so to help you guys out with your cooking, we are going to give away this gift pack right here. I don't know, pretty cool wood case here. And so here's how to enter in for the drawing. Okay, Shakara is going to explain how to put in for the drawing. I'm sorry, I was doing horrible. I was massacring it.
Okay, guys.
I'm not very good. I'm not a very good spokesman. Redmond, I apologize. I'm not a very good spokesman. I'm doing the best I can to advertise for you guys, but this is the best I can do. The product's awesome. How much? What ways can I say
Yeah,
it?
they're-
I'm putting it on the burgers. We're about to eat it. It's delicious. Take my word for it. And to put my money where my mouth is we're going to give this product away. We're going to pay ourselves out of our pocket shipping and handling. And so all you have to do is just put in for the drawing, because I guarantee you, if you cook with real salt, you will like it, you will love it, you'll want some more of it. That's a song. That's a country song. Sorry, I went country. Okay, so what do we got to do to win this, Mama Dean?
Okay, so in order to win this, guys, this nifty little package.
Let me zoom in on this. That sound effects is brought to you by my mouth.
Okay, so to be entered in for the drawing for this, you have to do two things. You have to either say real or salt in a sentence, and you can make it either as clever or funny as you can possibly do it. So, put in for this guy.
Yeah. And if you're not, and if you're anything like me, you don't have to be clever or funny.
No, just
You can just say, put me in for the drawing, man. And I'll put you in for the
yeah,
drawing.
Yeah.
We do like our comments. We
Yeah.
do love the clever comments. But if you just to say something, just anything, just real salt. Just type in the word real salt. Your name automatically pops by it, so we know who you are. Just type in the word real salt. But we do like clever, funny comments.
Yeah, we do.
Yeah. But if you don't have clever, funny comments, we are not going to make fun of you. You guys are awesome. We love you. We love our subscribers. We love our... I say this every vlog.
We do love you guys.
I do love you guys. And I do. I feel like at the end of the show, we should put like a credit of everybody we love and just put all the subscribers. No?
No.
That'll take too long.
Yeah.
All right. We love you guys. We'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.